Today I have an inspirational story for you guys, and this has a surprise opportunity at the end. So I learned about this woman who went from helping her mother to sell palm oil, that is red oil, also selling okrika, that is used clothes, on the streets of Lagos, to becoming a multi-millionaire. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet my mother, Auntie Grace Ofure. She got into business at an early age, selling palm oil with her mom while she was still in school. After her university degree in NYSC, she got married. She could not find a job in Lagos, so she started selling used clothes, okrika. And she said to me on the phone, she said, even if all I made was just enough to make dinner, Adeola, I wanted to contribute in my home. I didn't want my husband being the only one providing. And so she started selling okrika. And one day at the age of 24, while hawking okrika, she said she ran into an old classmate who was looking more comfortable financially. So she asked her friend what she does for a living. Is there something that I can do? And the classmate told her that she's into real estate, brokerage, and investment. So she said that was how she put down her okrika that day, and that the rest of that afternoon she listened as her friend talked to her about opportunities in real estate, and also how her friend told her that she needed to be careful not to buy lands without bankable documents, CFO, because she would lose her savings. So she said that she was really intrigued, and that was how she started learning about real estate. It took a couple of years before she actually invested, but she kept saving money in order to go into real estate. And you know, from selling used clothes, this woman saved 500,000 naira over a period of years. I was like, that's amazing, 500,000 naira. So when an opportunity to purchase a fast appreciating land came up, even though she had 500,000 naira, it wasn't enough. Her savings was not enough to buy the land. The land was 2 million naira. So guess what she did? She gathered her friends together. She told them about real estate. She told them how the land would appreciate in 5 years if they can put their money together. And she put down 500,000 naira. Her friends also put down their savings, and by co-investing, they were able to buy that 2 million naira land in order to share the profit according to their individual contributions when they sell the land. But do you know that they didn't have to wait for 5 years? By the end of 3 years, this 2 million naira land that they bought had appreciated to 14.5 million naira. And so they sold it and they shared the profit amongst themselves. And she got a little over 3 million naira. Her 500,000 naira became 3 million plus in 3 years. She couldn't have gotten that if she left the money in the bank. She got that money without her doing anything. The land appreciated by itself. So when she saw what was possible from that one deal, she realized that she worked way harder while she was selling okrika just to save 500,000 naira over a period of years. But in real estate, she didn't need to do anything than put down her money. The land appreciated by itself. So she wanted to know more. She was intrigued. And so she started shadowing successful people that are into real estate. So she started working for them for free. For years, they would send her on errands until gradually they would take her along when they are closing deals. Gradually, they started sending her to close deals. And after some years, she was able to start her own real estate company, lifecardcompany.com. She said she did that because she wanted to see more about seeing people come out of the rat race. She has videos on YouTube, by the way, about real estate. She's also on Instagram, and her company, Lifecard, has its own Instagram page. You can follow them on Instagram and on Facebook. Now, this woman owns estates in Lagos, estates, not just one, and she owns lands that she's selling. She's selling apartments that she can also manage for her clients. Now, here is the surprise that I have at the end: 5% discount to anyone that is interested in real estate, even if you don't live in Nigeria. You don't have to live in Nigeria, by the way. A lot of her clients are actually located outside of Nigeria. If you've been thinking about having financial freedom, about investing, if real estate has always been on your mind, investing in lands with legitimate CFO would always appreciate. So this may be an opportunity for you. Please do your research about her. This woman has been featured in news articles. Popular footballer Joseph Yobo is one of her ambassadors. All the properties that she has, land for example, they are all listed on Google Map. I just want you guys to know that she's legit. Apartments can be an amazing source of cash flow. She's selling them and her prices are ridiculous. She has something that everybody can afford, and you can also pay in installments. Isn't that nice? Now, her lands already have CFO. These lands are located inside estates that she owns. They are ready for you to build at any time. They have electricity there, they have good roads there. Depending on how much you want to spend, every 3 months, by the way, if you buy land from her, she will give you an update on the price of the land in case you want to sell it. She will tell you how much it has appreciated so that you can sell whenever you want to sell. And you know, she has apartments for sale as well. She has studios, 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. You can own an apartment in Lagos. And again, you can pay in installments. So please keep that in mind. She has everything written on her website. Please go on her website. She has apartments in Osakpa as well as Lakowi. And if you want to use it for cash flow, her company would find you tenants. They would manage your apartment for you and they would just be paying you every month, or if you want, every year. They pay in dollars, euro, in naira, in any currency. And you know, whenever you decide to sell the apartment, it would have appreciated and her company is also able to sell it for you. Plus, if you live abroad and you buy an apartment from her, even if she's renting out your apartment to somebody, she's helping you to manage it, whenever you go to Lagos, an apartment will be readily available for you in one of her estates. She will pick you up at the airport, take good care of you the whole time that you are in Lagos.
Yeah, my people, I turn and I see what I look like, say, I won't go bear people and I can pick me, I lie you, a life card. I turn and say, these people, they deal on real estate. And anywhere you deal for, anywhere for the world, as far as you don't reach Lagos, they'll come pick you. Only can, I will pick you, you see the car. As I go, that the people, they say, governor picking, governor, because I don't be governor, a life card. So I turn and say, invest with life card, your life not going to remain the same.
Also, if you're not interested in owning land or apartments in Lagos, her company is able to find you land or help you develop a land that you already own in any other part of Nigeria. I'm like, is there anything that you don't like? Seriously. So long as you have enough money to build at least 10 units, you know, so this is for big people. She will build it according to her business model, and she would find you tenants and she would manage the apartment for you, and you would just be getting monthly or yearly cash flow. So that is if you're not interested in Lagos. She would do it anywhere else, but it has to be like a major project. So if you're building like a 10-unit apartment or more, then she will do it for you outside of Lagos. The best part is, if you cannot afford to invest at this moment, she's teaching people about real estate in Nigeria. An online class, like if you want to practice real estate in Nigeria, and it's just $100.
Lifecart Company offers online real estate education, where you have access to online courses on starting a real estate business, real estate investing, and lots more. Hey, visit www.lifecartcompany.ng to sign up now.
You will get an ebook, there will be webinar classes, there will be opportunities to talk online in a 30 minutes personal session with her, among other things. Only 50 spots are available for that. So if you're interested, go on her website, lifecartcompany.com, and register. And if you're not interested in real estate, at least let her story inspire you today. At least learn to save money. People don't get out of poverty by accident. So this is what it means to go from selling okrika to becoming a real estate mogul. Oh shit, money is good. So this is a self-made multi-millionaire that wants other people to learn how to do it. She said, if I could do it, if I could go from selling palm oil and selling okrika to becoming a multi-millionaire, she said to me that anybody can learn how to do this. You guys now don't know much. Guess what? I'm just keeping it real.